Oh.
Hey everybody, Tahoe Steve here. Did you get all that?
Yep.
Hey everybody, Tahoe Steve here, coming to you from the driver's seat of the Chevy Tahoe for the first time, and I don't know how long. And the turbo is in, and the turbo works. The problem was not the engine, it wasn't the transmission. It was a damn torque converter. So with the new torque converter, it's running like a dream. So now that I got a bunch of really go fast stuff, I'm gonna need better brakes. So like, comment, and subscribe, because we're gonna be doing some big brakes. 6-piston brakes. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna go Brembo or Wheelwood or one of the other manufacturers, but that's coming. I'm just trying to decide right now whether I want 14-inch rotors or 16-inch rotors. If I want to go over the top or whatever. Also on the agenda is exhaust. I'm going to do an exhaust cutout so I can either go wide open or go through the muffler. And right now it's nice and quiet because we're going through the muffler. And then another video that, what was it? That was the... Oof. Yeah. It just makes you giggle. A little bit of boost makes you giggle. Jeez Louise. Alright, anyhow. Yeah, Tahoe Steve here. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos on the way. See ya.